morning all. I Razia Patan from Ranmaji Vidyapit, standard 4. So students, in a unit number 2, we'll start solve the following. So here is when we start to solve the following word problems, we'll use the Narrow's method. So what was the meaning of the and that means numbers and keywords. A, that means ask what they are asking the question, and D, that means draw for understanding. O, that means which operation we'll use, and S, that means solution. So here let's now solve the multiplication word problem using the narrow strategy. So here is the one example. The vegetable farm has a 52 row with the 1123 saplings. Small plants are there in each row. How many saplings are there in the farm? Farm में कितने saplings, that means small plants है, वो हमें find करना है. So first of all we have to find the numbers and keywords. So numbers is 52 row is there and 1123 saplings are there. Then the second one is how many saplings are there in the farm. Ask what they are asking. They are asking that what is how many saplings are there in the farm. And then D for understanding, draw for understanding. So here we have to write the row number 1, 1156 saplings, still 52 saplings, 52 row, and then total number of the saplings in the farm we have to find it here. So students, in the operation there are the 4 operations are there: addition, subtraction and multiplication. So here we will use the multiplication. Why we use the multiplication? We can see that in a question 1123 saplings have been the planted in each of the 52 rows. 52 rows में प्लांट की गई हुई है, ठीक है. सो द नंबर्स इज बिगनिंग रिपीटेड 52 टाइम्स. नंबर्स वो कितनी टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं? 52 टाइम्स. So that to find the total number of the saplings in the farm we need to multiply. इसलिए हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? Multiply. So in the last solution is there. So 1123 multiply by 52. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. We have to write here 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Cross it out in the ones place. 5 3s are 50. Write here 5. 1 is a carry over. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. Write here 1. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 6. 5 1s are 5. 6 as it is. 5 plus 4 9. 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 6 8. 5 as it is. So students, our answer is there are the 58,393 saplings in the farm. Now I'll give you one means you have to write this in your maths notebook. Here. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start second one example. So here there are the 415 notebooks in the stationery shops. Each books contain 250 pages. स्टेशनरी में कितनी नोटबुक्स आ है? 450 नोटबुक्स है. उसमें ईच नोटबुक मतलब आप जितनी भी नोटबुक्स है उसमें कितने पेजेस है? 250 पेजेस. वन नोटबुक में 250 पेजेस है. व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द पेजेस इन ऑल द नोटबुक? टोटल नंबर ऑफ द पेजेस है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. दैट मीन्स सभी नोटबुक्स में पेजेस कितने हैं, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द स्टेशनरी शॉप. सो आई विल गिव यू वन मीन्स यू हैव टू डिस्कस you have to do these sums yourself. I will give you one means you have to complete it. After that we will solve here. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll check your answer. So students, first of all we have to find the numbers and keywords. So in that numbers are 415 notebooks and 215 pages total. Then what they are asking the question, they are asking that what is the total number of the pages in all the notebooks in the stationery shops. We have to draw here 250 pages, still 415 pages. Then for the operation, so here 215 pages beginning the repeated of 415 times, so we need to multiply. Here what we have to do, we have to multiply here. In a last solution is there, so 215 multiplied by 450, the answer is 1,03,715. Total number of the pages in all the notebooks in the stationery shops is 1,03,750. Now students, I hope so your sums is right. I'll give you one minute, you have to write these sums in your maths notebook. I hope so students your work is complete. Now we'll start worksheet number 16, page number 45 in your workbook. Okay students, so in a worksheet number 16, question is, here is one example. A vegetable farm has a 52 row with the 1123 slapping smalls. Each row, how many slappings are there in the farm? So students, first of all we have to find the numbers and keywords in the question. So in the question, numbers are 52 rows, 1123 slappings, small plants are there, each row is there. Then what they are asking the question, they are asking that here is a question is asking how many slappings there are in the farm. We have to draw for the understand. So here we have to draw 1123 slappings, row number 1 to still row number 52. You know which operation we'll use. So which operation should I use to find the answer? So slappings in the farm, so means that means the slappings in the all the row. To find the total number of the slappings in the all the row, we will multiply the numbers of the slappings in the one row with the total number of the row. So slappings in the farm, 1123 slappings in the one row multiplied by 52 rows. So 1123 multiplied by 52 we have to solve here. 5 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. We have to cross it out here. 5 3s are 50, write here 5, 1 is a carryover, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 11. So we have to write here 1 is a carryover, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 6, we have to write here 5, 5 1s are 5. So now we have to do the addition, 6 as it is, 5 plus 4 plus 5, 9 is there, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 6 8, 5 as it is. So the total number of the saplings plants in the farm is 58,396. Now I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work student. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet, worksheet number 17. We'll start now. So here we have to write standard 4th, subject maths, Unit number 2, worksheet number 17, day 15. So students, here is a question is, a stationery shop is selling a pencil for rupees 3. If it sells 432 pencils in a year, how much money does it make selling pencil? पेंसिल वो 1 ईयर में कितनी सेल कर रहा है वो हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है. सो विल यूज दिस स्टेप्स. स्टेप नंबर 1, सम नंबर 1, numbers and keywords. So numbers is rupees 3 and 4032 pencils. 4032 pencils. Step number 2, ask what they are asked in the question, how much money does it makes selling pencil. Step number 3, to draw. Here we have to draw the two boxes. We have to write here 4032 multiply by 3. Step number 4, operation. So here we'll use a multiplication operation. Step number 5, solution. So 4032 multiply by 3. So here we have to write 4032 multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 3 zeros are 0, 3 4s are 12. So our answer is the stationery shop make rupees 12,096 by selling pencil. By selling pencils. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. First I'll show you a step number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. You have to write this in your maths notebook. I hope so students your work is complete. Now I'll show you next steps. Step number 5th. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum number B. So students, second one question is Tisha has read 13 books during the summer vacation. Summer vacation में वो 30 books है वो read कर रही है. If each book has a 123 pages, then how many pages does Tisha have to read in total? Tisha है every day कितने pages read कर रही है? 123 pages. तो वो कितने pages है वो read कर रही है? That we have to find. So let's we have to follow some steps and get the answers. So B1 sum, step number 1, numbers and keywords. So numbers is 13 books, 123 pages. Step number 2, ask what they are asked. So they are asking that how many pages does Tisha to read in total. Step number 3, for understand D4. So here we have to write 123 multiply 30. Step number 4, operation. So here we'll use multiplication. Step number 5, solution is that. So we have to multiply 123 multiply by 13. So here we have to write 123 multiply by 13. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Cross it out in the ones place. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Now we have to do the addition. 9 as it is 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 3 5, 1 as it is. So Tina has, answer is Tina has to read 1599 pages in total. Okay students, now I'll give you one miss. You have to complete this sum. First of all, I'll show you step number 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. You have to write in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now I'll show you step number 5. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay student, so your work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 17. That worksheet you have to complete it. There are the 2 sums are that 2 sums you have to write it in your workbook and send it to me homework before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. You have to send the homework on time. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.